Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, so let's take a look at what you're currently doing. So currently, generally your swing is go up here, slowly up here, and then try to pull it down, and then your body is leaving the ground. Okay. So pull it down, and then essentially your body is turning. So this is more pulling instead of letting it go. This is because you go high up here, and from here you mainly try to pull the arms down, then try to hit the ball here. And also, as you can see, your backswing path is really flat. Okay. Try to go this way. So the motion is quite jerky, and then so from the down the line view, what I see here is that your swing plane in the backswing is going inward this way, flat, but then on the way down, your swing plane is going leftward. So the two planes are not the same. Okay? So you need to have a consistent plane here. Yeah, because you go in here, in order to compensate this, you're turning quickly. Try to pull it this way. So more than anything, we need to first use the leg more. Instead of pulling, there's a shallow and throw type pattern instead of pulling. So we will promote shallow and push or shallow and throw pattern. And also we'll need to have both planes consistent. Okay? So let's start with the rope swing here. Have you tried the rope? Okay. Swing the rope back and forth continuously. You have to make the rope motion consistent back and forth. So imagine a plane here, the so-called swing plane. You should be able to move the rope along that plane both ways, the same plane here. I will demonstrate. So the swing should be something like this. You have to really give a good speed to the rope so that the rope can go around. Okay, no need to move your body a lot. But try to work with the rope. The main purpose is to control the rope motion. So make it consistent both ways. And during the backswing, still it's quite flat. And also, you have to wait until the rope goes here. So the rope will cross your right shoulder here. And they should go underneath the armpit here. Okay? And wait until this happens. Okay. And also, in order to have the rope going around your body, you have to give good speed, even at the end of the backswing, instead of just stopping about here. So you have to continuously turn your shoulders and then give the arm motion here so that you have the rope going around your body. No, you are rushing down. You are rushing down. You have to give enough time so that the rope goes around your body. Okay? Two purposes of the rope swing is first to establish a consistent swing plane, both ways. The second is to find the right timing for the start of downswing. So before the rope is completely wrapping around your body, if you start the downswing, then that's a rush. So wait until the rope goes all the way here, and then go to downswing. So your goal is to make the rope go around your body. So see how you can do this. Yes, that's better. Now, make the motion continuous. Instead of abrupt motion here and the abrupt motion here, make it continuous. You're rushing. Continuous motion does not mean rushing. The motion should be smooth, and then wait until the rope goes around your body, and then let it go, and then also wait here. Okay? And now you are slowing down the rope. So again, let me show you this. See what I do. It's always important to be able to understand the key component by watching. Okay? So you have to give enough speed to the rope so that the rope can go around your body, but no rush. Now on the way down, no need to swing hard, but give enough speed to the rope. That's two different things. Okay? Use your body. So in order to make the motion continuous, you have to use your body instead of using the arms only. Your downswing is fairly arm-driven. Go here and try to swing hard with the arms, but you have to turn your shoulders continuously. Use the shoulders. Make it smooth but fast both ways. Okay, let's make it a bit shorter. See how it goes. Make it a bit shorter. It's too short. It's too short. Yeah, about there. And then swing back and forth continuously. In the backswing, the rope falls onto your body here. That means you are stopping about here. You stopped the motion here. So then the rope just goes and drop. You have to continuous shoulder turn all the way so that they let the rope go in here, slide in, and then let it go. This is the same thing. Let it go here so that the rope can come in, wrap around here. You have to work with the rope. You have to really feel the motion of the rope and then control that with your body. Wait. Let's not think this is a golf swing. Just a simple swing back and forth. Repeated swing back and forth. No need to swing hard this way, okay? Just try to make it reasonably symmetric both ways. And then try to run the rope continuously. Make the rope longer. Make the rope longer. Wait until the rope goes around your body here. Okay? Motion should be faster. Give more speed to the rope. However, wait until the rope goes around your body. Do not let the rope just fall onto your body, but it should be continuous motion. No, still you are just trying to move your body, but you are not really working with the rope. the key here is whatever you're dealing with, whether it's a golf club, a rope, or even something else, you have to work with that device. First, you have to understand the physical characteristics. This is flexible, right? Then the only way you can guide this properly is using your body properly, moving the body properly. So the motion does not have to be that rigorous or complex. If you just let the rope go around your body, give enough speed to the rope. Your goal is to give enough speed to the rope instead of moving your body a lot like this. Work with the rope. You have to, as if this is a baby or something, you really have to work with the rope and then produce good and consistent rope motion. Just to give good speed to the rope, that's all you need. Instead of dictating it, try to dominate, just try to work with the rope and then feel the motion of the rope. Now it's better, okay? Give a good speed to the rope, yes. Now, yes, now you're getting it. The downswing is a bit rushed, so you should have give enough motion here. And then instead of, before it is completely wrapping around, you start the downswing. You have to wait until this completes. So at the end of the backswing, still you have to give continuous motion and then start the downswing instead of go about here and then try to come down quickly. Okay? So pay attention to the wind-up aspect. Give good speed. Backswing should be faster. Backswing should be faster. No. Faster does not mean hurried transition to downswing. Just that this motion should be faster. Faster motion will give you the rope going this way, and you have to wait until that happens. Faster motion, but give more time at the end. Faster motion to the rope. Yes. Faster motion to the rope. Now, yes, that's good. That's good. So now you're working with the rope better. The backswing plane is too flat. So what happens? It goes flat here, and then eventually it comes up here. So bring a bit steeper along the steeper plane here, so that it just naturally goes underneath your armpit. Okay. So you have to adjust the way you are bringing the rope back. Now it's getting flatter. It's getting flatter. On the way down, you're using your arms quite a bit. So try to use that. You have to use the body. So again, so over there, let me show you this. Watch me stay here on this side because the camera is over there. Watch me doing this. You have to watch me carefully and then sort of catch the key aspect by watching. I'm using shoulder turn here instead of a lot of arm motion. Shoulder turn and guide the rope consistently and then give a good speed to the rope, right? Use the shoulder turn instead of a lot of arm motion. Backswing is too slow. Still, the goal is to give good speed to the rope. Go easy, just to work with the rope, give enough speed to the rope, but you don't have to move your body that abruptly. Give smooth motion, but fast enough rope motion. Swing. Okay, here. So swing. So let's take a look at this. The rope motion is not consistent. It's a flat and then now steep. On the way back it's quite flat. Then on the way down it's quite steep. Okay, so you're not really working with the rope, but you just try to do whatever your body wants to do. You have to work with the rope and then create the desired rope motion. The same thing when you work with the club, the same thing happens. Okay, you have to really feel the motion of the club and then create the necessary club motion. Rope is flexible, so it's hard to manipulate. That's why the rope is good. You have to move your body in such a way that you secure the consistent rope motion. Okay.
What causes him to go flat and then steep?
His backswing is quite flat. He's bringing the hands back this way here. Even his real swing.
We don't want him to go this way. We want him to go
In his swing, during the backswing, he brings the club this way here, and then at the top he quickly turns this way and then going that way. So the two planes are both inward.
Right.
Backswing plane and downswing plane both are inward. So the two are not matching. So we try to sort of match these and they have a consistent motion here. So but still, during the backswing, the rope is flat. So you have to, and the rope goes high up, and then you try to change it. So that on the way down, it becomes quite steep. But I want you to move the rope along the same plane back and forth. So you have to change it the way you move your body to make this happen. It's always important to pay attention to the motion you want to generate. You have to adjust to your body motion. Stand on the mat. Swinging hard is not important. Okay? You have to guide it properly so that you have a consistent motion back and forth. If you think your backswing plane is more shifted this way, then you have to adjust the body motion to have a more consistent motion here. Now it's more consistent, yes. It's getting flatter. Try to swing everything more this way. So. And no need to turn. So stay there, but try to swing the rope this way. So you have to make adjustment. Now the backswing is going flat, and then you have to throw it up, and it's falling on your body. Keep moving all the way. Keep turning your shoulder all the way. Still, the backswing is too flat. You have to feel, or you have to sense what you're doing. During the backswing, it's going flat here. In order to change this, you have to move your hands differently to guide the rope differently. But you keep doing the same thing, throwing the rope backward. So instead of having abrupt motion, pulling it and then letting it go. As I do, make it continuous. Make it continuous. Use the momentum of the rope. Using the motion of the rope, if you let the rope go, then it will go around your body, but you are forcing the rope to come in this way. Using the motion here, let the rope go. This time, let's use something else. So let's use the orange grip. So hold it in the middle of the grip, okay, about here. And now this is probably in between the club and the rope. So it's flexible, but not fully flexible. So you will still be able to feel the motion of the, or the bending of the orange whip here. And it has a heavy end here, so you will also be able to feel the motion of the orange whip and swing back and forth. Swing back and forth continuously. Feel the motion of the end of the whip. Don't try to dominate the whip. Okay, you have to work with the whip. Try to come up with a continuous and smooth motion instead of try to dominate it. Now, at the end of the backswing, see where the end of where the tip is at the end of the backswing. The way you are swinging currently, the end comes here, because you go flat and then coming this way, so we have crossover here. Try to make the end goes this way here. So then you have to guide it this way instead of bringing back here. Swing this way, swing this way. More this way, more this way. So in order to swing this way, your backswing should be more going that way, not this way, okay? You have to adjust everything. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now adjust everything toward me. You should be able to manipulate the direction of your swing. It's going this way. Toward me, toward me. It's because of the way you are interacting with the whip at the top. Do not try to resist here. Okay, let it go more here. Do not try to keep your hands this high and then try to resist, because you have arm dominant swing. You try to go this position, but let it go more to this position. Do not resist here. Go easy with the wrist and the arms here. So let it go. Let it move. So it'll keep moving. Then it will end up here, instead of try to resist here. So let it go more. Your swing pattern is you go high up here and then try to pull. So always you try to stop here, but let it go more. Okay? Do not resist, but work with the whip. So feel the motion of the head of the whip, and then let it go all the way. On the way down, you don't have to swing that hard. Just a continuous motion back and forth. Put more effort in the backswing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. So make the backswing faster. Swing. Swing. Mm-hmm. Now you start moving your body. It's going flat. No, it's going flat. So here's the thing. At the end of the downswing, you go here, right? And it's quite steep. And if you start from here, come down, then you'll go flat here. Swing here and then keep it a bit flat here, and then bring it back, then you will go here, this way. So how you start the backswing motion is important. Your hand is if your hand goes really high here. If you just pull it down from there, then you tend to go flat here. So you have to adjust everything to bring the whip more consistently. Pay attention to every aspect of your swing, back and forth, and then guide the whip. Feel the motion of the whip. That's better, yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. And then let's try the rope swing again. Now this is completely flexible, so it's a bit different from the whip. Swing back and forth again. Try to come up with a consistent motion. Make backswing faster. Oh no. When I say faster backswing does not mean rush the downswing. Just the motion of the backswing should be faster, but should have enough time at the top, okay? Mm-hmm. The motion is a bit abrupt. Make it continuous, but fast enough. Oh, it's rushed. Flat. Flat. Oh, so here's the idea. Make everything flatter. Okay, currently the downswing is too steep, so make everything flat. So even in the downswing, go flat here, then also make it flat. Now it's too steep. Instead of going down like this, try to bring it here this way. Make everything a bit flatter. Go from there, let it go around your body instead of bringing down. No, that doesn't mean pull it down and then try to push out, but rather start this way here. Here. If this is your current downswing plane, make it flatter here. Okay? So you have to let it go out more and then come down this way instead of bring it down and then try to throw it up. No. Now your hands are following the same pattern. This time you're pulling the hands more this way. Here, let me show you the difference between steep plane and the flat plane, okay? This is a steep plane. Flat plane is this one here. Can you see the difference? So give me a bit flatter plane. Watch from there, then you will be able to see the difference. A steep plane this is a steep plane, okay? A flatter plane is this here. So if you turn your shoulders, more about the spine axis here, if you turn your shoulders, with that, if you let it go, then it becomes a bit flatter. What happens is you're using your arms and try to bring it down. That's why you have a steeper plane. Flatter, flatter. No, it's still steep. Instead of using your arms, try to turn your shoulders about the spine axis. If currently your rope is coming down this way, try to come down this way here. You're not adjusting your motion. Again, the difference here is if you bring the hands high up and bring it down, you have a steeper swing plane here. If you turn your shoulders more and then throw it out, it becomes quite flat here. So use the shoulder turn and then let it go. Use shoulder turn and then let it go. Yeah. No, swinging hard is not important here in the downswing. Okay, no need to swing hard. You have to guide the rope correctly. The purpose is to change the plane the rope is moving along. Okay, currently your rope is moving along this plane. Let it move along this plane here. Make it flatter. So you have to adjust your body motion to let the rope go around here instead of coming down. Yes, yes. No need to swing hard. Try to use your body more, feel the overall rhythm instead of using the arms. Currently, backswing is too flat. The backswing is too flat. No, backswing should be a bit steeper, and the downswing is good. Downswing is good, but your backswing is going too flat. Now, you are using your arms a lot. You are using your right arm a lot. So what happens is your right arm is dominant and try to bring it in here, but let it go. Develop the motion of the hands and rope here, right? And then just simply let it go. Instead of to try to force it. Develop speed and using the momentum, just let it go. Again. So make it flatter on the way down. Yeah, the reason why your right arm becomes dominant is because here you're turning your pelvis like this and then try to push this in. The pelvis is opening too early. You have to adjust the way you move your body. The goal is to move the rope in such a way. Okay. So in order to secure that, you have to change the way your body moves. Pay attention to the rope motion. That's the key component here. In order to develop good, consistent rope motion, you have to move your body in such a way to secure that. But you are not changing your body motion. Okay? You have to move the way your body moves, and then bring the rope consistently. So go. No, you are turning the pelvis too early, too much. Just turn the shoulder and then let it go. Okay. Do not intentionally try to move pelvis rapidly. Go here. Good wind up and then turn the shoulder. Wind up and then turn the shoulder. Use the shoulder turn to guide the rope. Okay. No, you went this way. You are introducing this unnecessary pelvis motion right now. So use your shoulder turn. Okay, the key, the arms are connected to the shoulders. So if you have to change anything, then you have to change the way the shoulders move. But if you have unnecessary pelvis motion here, it will affect the shoulder motion. That's not necessary. No, that doesn't mean you don't move your pelvis at all. Go with flatter. Flatter. The right hand is coming in too much.
Your right hand goes in.
Your right hand is going in and then going this way too much. So you're turning this way, turn this way. Let it go and throw the hands toward the target. Okay, then make it a bit flatter with that. No, the hands have to move out more this way. Your hands have to move this way more in the downswing. And then on the way down, use your left arm more. Use your left arm more. You are using only the right arm in the downswing. Use the left arm. No, it's all right arm dominant, okay? So here, put your right hand on the waist here, and then hang the left arm down here. And by turning the shoulders, try to move the left arm, and then throw the left arm. Throw the left arm.
All the way.
So you're not using the shoulder turn. Using the shoulder turn with this, as your shoulder turns, and then throw the arm here. Use the shoulder turn, and throw. Yes, again. No need to stop, just to make it continuous. But use the wind up, shoulder wind up to throw the left arm, yes? And in doing that, if the pelvis slides too early, this does not help. Your goal is to have good wind up from here by turning the shoulders and then throw the arm, throw the left arm. Now, keeping that in mind, engage your left arm more as you do the downswing. Okay? Make it longer, make it longer. Yeah. On the way down, try to use your left arm more by turning the left shoulder. When you start the downswing with the arms here, it's hard to do this. Go here, just try to wind up as much as possible. And on the way down, use the shoulder turn and then throw this. Instead of, if your right arm already takes over here, you cannot throw the left arm. Use the wind up, and using the wind up, throw. Now make it continuous, back and forth. Turn, left shoulder turn, good shoulder turn. Putting that much effort is not important. Okay? Watch me, watch me. Just make it consistent both ways. Make the rope motion consistent. Okay? You have to move your body to make that happen. If you use your arms a lot and then sliding the pelvis unnecessarily, then you cannot have that motion. So you have to really move your bodies differently to secure that motion. It's confusing, isn't it? It's very different from what you've done. You are 15, right? You should be able to move your body a lot better than this. You should have a lot better control over your body. But you are doing the same thing again and again without changing it. Okay? You must have a full control over your body motion. So try to make the necessary changes. Swing back and forth. Use the left arm more. Instead of using the right arm dominant swing, try to use engage the left arm more. Yeah, the motion is now a lot better. I'll record this. Swing back and forth. Go smooth. Smooth. No need to have abrupt motion. Speedy but smooth. Swing. 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 Okay. Swing. 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 So let's take a look at this. The motion is now a lot more consistent. Still is a bit steep. However, the motion is now a lot more consistent compared to the previous one. Again, try to do the same thing with the orange whip. Again, it should be consistent both ways. Instead of try to dominate the whip using your arms, try to use your body turn more. It'll be easier then. Use the legs and then turn your body more. Then just the arm will just guide the whip. Then it'll be easier. It's fairly outward now. Adjust the plane this way. It's outward. Yeah, that's good. 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 Yeah, so when you use the whip, again, it's the same. You have to work with the whip, okay? Instead of try to dominate, you have to feel the motion of the whip here so that swing, instead of fighting, swing, let it go, swing, 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 come up with a really consistent motion. But particularly, you have to give enough time here and then change the direction. If you try to start early, you have to fight. Okay? So let it go. Feel the weight of the tip. Let it go all the way, and then start the swing in the opposite direction. Do not fight. Make the backswing a bit faster. But faster does not mean you are rushing down. With the faster motion, let it go. And then wait until the backswing matured, then start the downswing. You try to swing hard, no need to do that. If you have a good shoulder turn, automatically you will have a good swing, but you try to swing hard with the arms. Okay? Use your body more. Turn the body. Yeah, with this, your body motion is changing already. So now your body is working a lot better, in an orchestrated way. But you have to work on these consistently, okay? Now, let's do the same thing with the club. The difference is the club is lighter than the orange whip, heavier than the rope, perhaps, or similar, but it's more rigid. Now, relax your wrist and arms, and then try to come up with a similar motion, as if you are swinging a rope or an orange whip. Feel the motion of the club head. Motion of the club head. Now the swing plane is quite outward, so you have to adjust the plane. Make a backswing faster. Make a backswing faster. Backswing faster. And then with the backswing, we have good shoulder wind up, good shoulder turn. From there, you will do the downswing. Faster backswing, backswing faster. Faster, let it go. Faster, have more time, let it go. Faster and wait, let it go. Faster, let it. So when you have a faster motion, it will give you more range of motion. So you are going more here, right? Naturally, you will have more time. No need to rush down.
I think he's getting confused on like when you say faster backswing, you mean to be here, faster.
Yeah.
He's like here.
No, I already mentioned this twice or three times already. Faster means that the motion, but not rush the downswing. Motion is faster, but you still at the end should have enough time.
Yes.
No rush down, okay? No, at the top, give more time. Swing, give more time. Okay. Swing, give more time. So the ideal way of doing this is even though you have a fast motion here, fast motion but nicely slow down here, instead of letting it go all the way and then try to come down right away. Here, fast motion but slow down, then let it go. Fast motion, slow down, let it go. If you slow down here and have more time, then you will be able to prepare your body for better downswing. But if you keep going here, this type of motion will only promote the arm motion here. So go here with the fast motion here. We have a good slow down here and have more time and let it go. That way you will start using your body more. So motion here should be fast. And a nice slow down here, reach the target position here, and then you will start using your body more. No, the point is not the downswing. The point is backswing. Pay more attention to the backswing. Fast motion here, and then nice slow down here. Start from here. So swing this way, and then from there, so fast motion, and then slow down here. Fast, slow down, and then let it go. So currently, your club is going this way quite a bit at the end of the backswing because of your arm action. So imagine if you have a fast motion here, right? Fast motion, and then let it go, and it will go here. But if you try to use your arm to try to stop it, it goes here. So again, using the momentum here, let it go into this position. Fast and then slow down. Fast and slow down. If the club continues motion, it'll end up here. instead of. Okay, so instead of intentionally try to use your arms, preserve the motion of the club, feel the motion of the club head, and then let it go. So here, your tendency is at the top, you go here, and then you're going into this position here. But rather try to go more this way here. Drop the club head this way. So let me give you the posture. So go to the top. Go to the top. Try to, no need to turn. Keep the shoulder as they are. Try to align the club more this way here. So this feel here, instead of going this way. Okay? Try to have this feel here. You have to remember that. So on the way back, if you try to bring the club more parallel to the chest, your chest is already turning here, and then if you keep moving that way, then it will be fairly flat here. And also when you bring it up, then it will go crossover here. You have to let the club go more this way here. From this motion, let it go laterally this way, and then if you move it here, then the club will go here. You have to let it go instead of bringing it in parallel to your chest here. Rather, you have to let the club go, and then it will settle here. So, okay, go to the top. Stop there. So your shoulders are about 90 degrees turned, right? Then in order to align the club toward the target, the club should be perpendicular to the shoulder line here. Yes? Then the club will align toward the target. If the club goes along your shoulders, then you have this crossover position. So you have to go like this. Okay? Here's the shoulder. If the club almost touches the right shoulder here, then it's the correct alignment. So if you look at the right arm alone, then almost when the club is keeping about 90-degree angle here to the shoulders, then it will go that way, right? But if it's aligned more along the shoulders, then it will definitely give you a crossover position. So when you bring it back, you tend to bring this parallel to your chest. Then already you are away from the swing plane. The motion, the club head has to keep moving this way here while your shoulders are turning. Then you have to let the club head go away and then to this position here, instead of bring this back here and align it along your shoulders. So that's why you have to pay attention to the club head motion. And then one way to secure that is when you have a faster motion here, because of the momentum, it will keep moving. Okay? Swing back and forth, swing back and forth. Press the backswing and then let the club go. During the backswing. Oh, no. Don't worry about the downswing. No need to put a lot of effort in the downswing, okay? Your goal is to pay attention to the backswing, doing the backswing right. When the backswing is done right, downswing will automatically come. No need to swing hard in the downswing. Try to have active wind up in the backswing. Try to bring the club faster here during the backswing. So let's throw the club this way first. Relax your wrist here. Let it go here. You have to let the club go instead of try to dominate it with your arm, your wrist here. So from here, let it go, and then bring it fast. Preserve that motion and go to this position here. And then pay attention to the wind up. Put more effort in the wind up aspect in the backswing. This initial motion is called the trigger. This is called the trigger. You have to have a more active trigger here. Using this motion, try to bring the club fast. Okay, so let's go to the step drills. Have you ever seen two-step drills? No. This is a well-known drills, and then, okay, so basically it's based on 2 steps. So you're stepping away from the target and then toward the target, okay? Actually, it has 3 stages. The first stage is having your feet together, throw the club this way, and then take this away step, and then do the backswing. And then during the backswing, you will have to take this toward the step, and then do the downswing. So let's see. No need to swing hard. Relax, relax, okay? No need to swing hard. Just to feel the rhythm. You didn't take the second step. The second step should be toward. No, the steps, both steps are late. In this one, the key is not the arm motion. The key is the lower body motion. Weight shift. Again. What? No. Okay, let me demonstrate this. Again, watch carefully. So from here, throw and take the step, away step, and then start the turn. And when the club is about here, you have to take the second step. Second step should be done before you reach the top base position, and then swing. So the step should be a bit earlier. But if you just make the motion of the club head continuous, then you will be able to find the right timing for the steps. The second step was late. Again, Lance, no need to swing that hard in the downswing. It's not the point here, okay? With this, you want to promote a fast backswing and then good shoulder turn during the backswing. The key is the backswing, not the downswing. Again, so for the moment, just to try to feel the flow. No need to swing hard. You repeat it several times, then you will quickly find the time. Easy wrist here. Relax your wrist. Better. But the trigger motion, the club head should come this way, not that way. More this. The second step, the first step was late, so you could not take the second step. Both the steps were late. It was a bit better, okay. Again. Now automatically you're finding the right timing. Make it continuous. The motion, make the motion continuous. Again. Use the legs more instead of the upper body. Still, it's a fairly arm-driven. Relax your wrist and arms. Okay, relax your wrist and arms. It has to come from the lower body. Still, the motions are not connected. So now let me demonstrate this. So watch me here. Motion should be continuous motion, okay? Instead of trying to manipulate with the arms. Just to feel the flow. So the flow means a continuous, smooth motion. You have to develop smooth, continuous motion. Again. Each wrist and arms, you have to use the shoulder turn. And the shoulder turn will come from the body, the lower body action. So no second step. The trigger motion is weak. You're only just doing it with the arms. In the trigger motion, you have to have good turn here. It has to be body motion, not the arms, okay? So good trigger, and then bring it back with the shoulder turn here. Again, throw and bring it back and let it go. The shoulder turn is really important. No. You have to hold it up here. Do not open the chest early, okay? So now here. From the trigger motion to the backswing, you have to use the shoulder turn. You hold the club with a good shoulder turn and throw. Okay? And then when you start the backswing, you have to turn the shoulder. No, relax your arms. Do not go to this position here. Rather, go to this position. You have to promote the club head motion using the wrist here. Instead of holding it, trying going this way, try to let the club go this way here. Both the ways, you have to promote the club head motion. So from here, with the shoulder turn your shoulder actively. Relax. Relax your arms. Turn the shoulder. Using the shoulder, you are bringing this club. And on the way back, make sure you are bringing the club head along the swing plane. Instead of turning this way or whatever, go here, and as you turn, bring the club head along the swing plane, and then good wind up here. Okay? Try to minimize the club head motion in this direction away from the swing plane. Mainly promote this motion here. Bring it up. So go here, and then taking this step, turn the shoulder. This step here, and then let it go. Make motion continuous, smooth. Again. That motion is just the arm only. If you do this is the arms only. And then also when you move, you have to shift the pelvis. Okay? So here. When you throw the shift the pelvis this way over here. And then when you take this step, with that, shift the pelvis and then go to this position. No, go to this position here. Okay? And then, no, this is bad. You have to come to this position, and then let the club go this way, here. You have a really bad habit, or it could be because of the instruction, but don't ever go this way here. Okay? And then let it go here. Instead of trying to hit the ball like this. I told you several times that your right hand is coming in too much because you have this tendency here. This is coming here. Because of that, the pelvis also turns early and try to hit this like this. Here. Okay? Just from here, bring it down and hit the ball, and then let the club head go like this. Here. The main thing is the club head motion, not about your body motion like this. Your club head motion is what's important here. Okay? For that, you have to let the club head go and impact here coming this way instead of. Okay? Again. So relax your arms, relax your wrist. Feel the motion of the club head. Feel the motion of the club head. Or easy. So relax your wrist and the arms and try to swing it back and forth about here. No. You have to let it go this way. Okay, you have a lot of resistance going this way. Let it go both ways, about 45 to 45 degrees swing back and forth, easy. And then with that, move your body, move the lower body. Okay, so at the end of the backswing, let it go like this. Okay? Give good wrist motion here. And then using the body, come down. No. We are using this. Bring it down here. I can feel the resistance. Let it go here. Relax and then let the club head go all the way. At the end, you will add the wrist motion so that the club head can travel a bit more. You are swinging, pretty much swinging like this. Instead, let it go here, let it go here. Relax your wrist and arms. So again. And you move your lower body. Move your